Dear students, today we can say pronoun. Shobha always loves dancing. She wants to go to dance school. If you see this example, the word she replaces the noun Shobha. So the word she is a pronoun. The Shobha always loved dancing. So when you read this she wants to go to dance school. This she is a pronoun. So now we can see the pronouns, the types of pronouns: subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns. Subject pronouns we have I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. In the object pronouns me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Possessive adjectives my pen, your pen, his pen, her pen, its pen, our pen, your pen, their pen. Then possessive adjectives mine, yours, its, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. Reflexive pronoun myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourselves, themselves. So once again we can say the subject pronoun. So what are the subject pronoun we have? I, you, he, she, it, we, themselves. So now we can see subject pronoun. A subject pronoun is a personal pronoun that it is used as the subject of a verb. So the previous slide we have seen, on the whole together we have seen. Now we are seeing the separately. Now the subject pronouns. The first person singular I, plural we. The second person you, singular you, plural you. Third person he, she, it, and they. Now subject pronouns, you see I, you, he, she, it. Again the subject pronouns examples: she is my best friend, it is my dog. Does he know the answer? You and I will meet her. You and I. Complete with the subject personal pronoun. My name is Preeti. I am a student and this is my family. My mom's name is Princey. She is a housewife. Albert is my dad. My dad. He is a businessman. Benjamin is my brother. He is my dancer. Preeti and Benjamin dash are twins. They are twins. Preeti and Benjamin, they are twins. Now object pronoun. A object pronoun is a type of personal pronoun that is replaces a noun with an object. See subject to object pronouns. I changes into me, you changes into you, he changes into him, she changes into her, it changes into it, they changes into them. This is subject to object pronouns. Now for the examples of that, me, us, you, them, him, her, it. He helped the old lady, he gave her food, her food, that her. The painting is done by me. He called them. I will give you a book, you. So that was object pronouns. Now object pronouns used as the direct or indirect object or the object of a preposition. Example: give the big book to me. Give the book to me. Me. The teacher gave her a reprimand. I will tell you a story. I will tell you. Susan, read it to them. It and them. They are object pronouns. Now we are going to change the underlined words. That means So I can show it the words. We have to change it in the with the correct pronoun. I saw Mr. Balu this morning and gave Mr. Balu my homework. How will you change it? I saw Mr. Balu this morning and gave, so we have to change this Mr. Balu and gave him, because he is a third person singular but the male. So we can say Mr. Balu changes into him. That my aunt lives in Trichy, but my aunt often comes to visit my family. So my aunt lives in Trichy, but my aunt, we have to change this my aunt, but she often comes to visit my family. Neil Armstrong was born in 1930. Neil Armstrong landed on the moon in 1969. So both the Neil Armstrong. The first Neil Armstrong is okay. Neil Armstrong was born in 1930. So the second Neil Armstrong changed into he landed. He landed on the moon in 1969. So now we can see the possessive adjective. Subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. Here I changes into my. I play basketball. This is my sister. So my is the possessive adjective. You, your is the possessive adjectives. He, his is a possessive adjectives. She, her is the possessive adjectives. Its possessive adjectives. Then we, are, you, your, they, their. So these are the possessive adjectives. What are they? Me, your, his, her, its, or, your, their. Again, possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possessions or ownership. This pen is my pen, not your pen. This pen is mine. So we can say, instead of this pen is my pen, we can say this pen is mine, not yours, not your pen. Instead of your pen, we can change it to not yours. This pen is mine, not yours. We usually say this pen is mine and not your pen, but we can say this pen is mine, not yours, mine. This is my laptop, it's mine. These glasses are mine, not yours, yours. This is my brother's book, it's his. Hers, he offered to swap his camera for hers. Ours, I'll show you to your room. Ours is next door. The house is yours. The ship is theirs. Now we are going to see adjective. My mom loves Joe. Joe changes into here him. My mom loves him. Joe likes his friends. Joe likes them. Joe is talking to Anne. Joe is talking to her. So adjective pronoun substitute noun that functions as an object. The object pronoun comes after the verb. So usually the object pronoun comes after the verb. Now possessive adjectives already we have see. My book is red. I have a book. My book is red. You have a book. Your book is red. She has a book. Her book is red. He has a book. His books are red. Or his book is red. We have books. Our books are red. They have books. Their books are red. So what are the possessive adjectives here? My, your, her, his, or their. These are the possessive adjectives. Now possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are words used to indicate that something belongs to someone or has a direct relationship with someone else. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, yours. These are the possessive pronouns. Her parents were far more liberal than mine. You probably picked me up my keys instead of yours. You probably picked up my keys instead of his. Your account of events does not correspond with hers. So in this way we can say mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, yours. These are the possessive pronouns. Now we can have some of the exercise. Change the possessive adjective into possessive pronoun. This is my pen. This is mine, we can say. Otherwise, this is mine. That is the correct answer. She missed her purse. How will you change this? Her speech is nice. My book is new. My bike is costly. So I have given you, this is your work. Please do this and find out. Dear students, I hope you understood this.